So we've got the new second half of the fertiliser machine. We're waiting a few months, much delayed on a couple of suppliers and due to COVID apparently. We've been waiting for this for a while now. Make Max's life a bit easier, especially a bit of help on his back. Won't have to really do anything. We do have it, so then all we need to buy now, we don't need to buy little bags. So we need to buy just big bulker bags now and then just corkscrew it up and it'll be so much easier and quicker through the whole process, I guess.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah? What do you reckon?
Streamline the system a bit and get a lot more buckets out to the masses.
Yeah?
Should be good.
Do you like it?
I do.
Yeah. So we've got that one in there. So at the moment it can only hold about 80 kilo, which isn't very much. So once we finally get this part in place, all we have to do is get the big bulker bag, corkscrew it up in through, and there'll be no manual handling at all. So it'll be streamlined, nice and easy of what we actually need to do. Just drop a big bulker bag like the one up there, and then let the machine do its own thing. Corkscrew the fertiliser all the way up, and then it weighs it out evenly into 2 different areas and they each different vibrate until they get to the perfect weight. We always go over, so a 5 kilo bucket, we always go that little bit over to be safe due to any incidents or anything at all. We have a Jared unloading a fertiliser machine, driving very delicately, aiming his forks right in that hole, ready to lift her.
Oh, it's got, oh.
See, we have our sponsor child over here. He's very lucky to get access to WaterPro pallet racking, WaterPro sticky tape, WaterPro sticky guns, just WaterPro in general. He's very, very lucky to be a part of us, be included in staff emails. He's a lone soldier and his employee, so being included in WaterPro. Yeah, it's a big job for a big boy. I got a headache. Yeah. So we actually got an email this morning saying it won't be here till next Tuesday, the 27th. About 20 minutes ago, I got a phone call saying, hey, change of plans. They've got it in their yard and they want to get it out of their yard. It's coming down to you now. Be prepared. And here we go. Time to see how it goes.
Drops it in the water.
See over here, we have the original part. At the moment, Max has to load up through here, which only holds about 80 kilo. Flick the bean, and then it weighs it perfectly to the right gram. It's gone. It's broken. Scratched. Nah. We don't want it. It's broken. That's where it's hard. Come on, camera.
It's okay for now. I don't know whether you're going to get all the way around though.
Max, be optimistic here. We're gonna get there.
You're still alright here, so.
You would have never been able to do any of this.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, you reckon?
Oh, I just said, didn't I? Say about lifting the forks up?
Yeah.
So I would have lifted the forks up and then crashed it into the pallet racking.
Exactly. Knocked over everything. That's fine. We don't need pallet racking.
It's going to be a fantastic
It's only
video.
your pallet racking anyway. So if we got rid of it.
It's actually important.
Where you going, Max?
Just going to sign for it since it's mine.
You're just being a bit sad over there.
I'm going to go sign for it since it's mine.
It's yours.
It's mine and Big Boy's.
Your name? Are you WaterPro?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not Lawn Hub? What does it do? You put a bulker bag somewhere. And then it corkscrews it from that device into this device. But with that big metal pole. But where the bulker bag goes, I don't know. Does it maybe go under here and goes on top, you reckon?
Don't pretend you know what it does.
No, Jared worked it out. Because I mean, you would never be able to. Look, you even got a pole, a support pole. Because you're a support child. What time are you leaving?
In 40 minutes.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot you do half days.
Half days?
Yeah.
Okay.
I reckon you're gonna have to get better at your forklift skills.
Well, I'm just dumping a bag in there.
Oh, wouldn't be the first bag you dumped.
Hey, oh, Benny Hewley.
For the couple of years I did it before you did, I reckon the chemicals got to me over time. I feel like a Christmas tree.
So I said, you've just been to the Rippers. Yep, pretty well got my head around that now. All seems to be in order here. This is a good day for Lawn Hub because we can now produce mass produce the Trojan, Premature, BBW, anything we need to. We can fill these pallet racking full of buckets ready to go to the consumers, and basically it's a time saver and a back saver. So yeah, Clint's vision now is to put out a lot of product and and hopefully we can keep up with the market share. So
what's your current process? How are you currently doing it?
Yeah, exactly.
Into a bucket, then you flick the bean?
Yeah, so it's it's going to be the same process. We're going to flick the bean, as it's so affectionately named. Yes, like and subscribe to our channel for more of this information. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, Reddy, for nothing. For providing nothing to this video. Yeah, do the sign off. Go, have a go. Come over here and do it. It's okay, you can do it. They can cut stuff. You can go as slow as you like. Just don't drive into the back of a car.
There's only been four car crashes. Leave me alone. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Lawn Hub Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube page to get more of Max doing brilliant work, learning about new fertiliser and making a lot of fertiliser quicker.
Look how confident he is, and then all of a sudden the camera's on.
Do you want to do it? You're the Lawn Hub.
No, this is your baby. You've done a lot of the work here.
I've done nothing of it.
Come on, no, don't take it off yet.
I was going to give it to Jared. He's good at it.
No. Oh yeah, actually you're never doing anything like that. So you do all the other work.
Yeah, I only do everything else.
This is great.
And now I see why you f***ed it up. It's so much pressure. Please like and subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. That's the one.
Yes, this is great news.
Please like and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube accounts. That's where you can follow our growth, and we.
Yes, this is good because I'm not.
I'm trying to get the word out that I want to get.
You go so fast. That's what happened.
All right. Like and subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and
So
we're honestly gonna have a video of us doing retakes.
This is gonna.
YouTube and Instagram. Like and subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram page. That is where you can see the growth of Lawn Hub continue to grow, and we appreciate the support and thank you very much.
Nice. Yes.